The energy demands measured in 2017 are estimated to increase 25% by the year 2040, while CO2 emissions will continue to rise, leading to many environmental issues. Current energy production that uses centralized power generation methods, such as nuclear and thermal power plants, are responsible for the creation of fine dust, global warming, and hazardous waste. These centralized electricity generation methods can also cause large-scale blackouts and create social and economic turmoil when they fail. Centralized power generation requires additional transmission towers to meet the growing energy demand, but building more transmission towers leads to environmental destruction and the costly repair of the destruction. This is why the United States and European countries have begun planning and building energy-smart cities. Smart cities allow developed nations to meet their growing energy demands while reducing negative impacts on the environment. Building smart cities require the construction of microgrids, a group of small-scale localized electricity generation systems that operate independently of a main power grid, require no transmission towers, and have their own means of energy production and storage. Smart solar blinds are the best solution for providing microgrids with their energy production because microgrids rely on renewable energy sources. Smart solar blinds generate the electricity needed to power any building, regardless of height, and can be installed on most windows and walls. Their dual slat design has an active function for producing energy and a passive function that helps reduce the amount of energy a building needs, allowing them to achieve the requirements of a zero-energy building. Smart Solar Blind's dual slat design is comprised of a passive traditional blind slat for shade protection, viewing, and privacy, and a solar slat covered in energy-efficient solar cells. Smart Solar Blind's dual slat design is the world's first high-efficiency design that produces twice as much power generation when compared to existing single slat designs, because it doesn't create any shadows on the solar panels. Existing single slat solar blinds lose up to 50% of their energy generation because their slats are angled at 30 degrees and cover their solar panels in shade. Smart solar blinds improve the viewing experience 2.7 times more than traditional single slat designs. They also provide more privacy and personal viewing preferences during seasonal changes. Smart solar blind solar slat can automatically track the sun at a constant 90-degree angle, while the passive slat can be adjusted up to 180 degrees vertically or horizontally to suit your lifestyle, allowing for full control over the amount of sunlight entering a room, the ability to maintain indoor temperatures without heating or air conditioning, increasing and decreasing humidity, and improving air quality. Smart solar blinds have no power transmission facility requirements either. They can transform any building into a near-zero energy building, which is something that has never been possible before. Zero energy buildings are the most important factor in distributed power generation, making them the easiest microgrids to deploy. And smart solar blinds are the best and most cost-effective product to install in microgrids. In 2018, patent registrations for smart solar blinds were obtained in South Korea, while patent applications have been filed in Europe, the United States, Japan, China, and India. Installing smart solar blinds on every window of every building is the smartest way to create microgrids, improve everyone's quality of life, breathe cleaner air, meet future energy needs, and protect the Earth's ecosystem from global warming and destruction. Smart solar blinds, the start of a brighter future.